Lesson number 6, Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. What days were special for your family when you were a child? Which relative do you feel closest to? What makes that relationship special? Whom do you respect the most in your family? Why? Does your family hold reunions? Can you describe a recent one? How do you keep in touch with distant relatives? Do you use email? How many times has your family moved? Why? Could you describe some of your favorite family photographs? Is divorce legal in your homeland? Are there particular conditions required for divorce? What are they? Any other restrictions? Why are blended families more common today? What might cause someone to become a black sheep in a family? What things might parents keep secret from their children? What things might children keep secret from their parents? Do you have any step or half brothers or sisters? Do you think these relationships are harder? Why? What rivalries has your family had? Have you felt any rivalry with relatives? How can families create stress? What were some important events in your family history? Which ancestor would you most like to meet? Why? How are family habits and traditions different in the United States than in your native land? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.